Hey guys, let's start with the third one here in exercise 3.3, right? We are dealing with exercise 3.3 and let's start with the third one. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta given in each case. Okay guys, here you have the first one where find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros. Actually here they have given alpha comma beta value. Let 2 be alpha and minus 1 be beta. Okay, so they have given what? They have given alpha value and beta value. Now we must find, or we must, what do we do is, by using this both value, alpha value and beta value. Alpha, beta are nothing but the zeros of polynomial, guys. Okay, here they have given the zeros of polynomial values. Means they have given zeros of polynomial values. So means it's nothing but alpha value. Let us consider something like alpha value. Let 2 be alpha. Okay, let 2 be alpha and minus 1 be what? Beta. Hamara beta. Okay, let minus 1 be beta and 2 be alpha. Now we must find the equation. We must form an equation. Okay, we must form an equation by using this both values. How do we form an equation? We know the we know what? We know the values, right? We know the formula where, wait a minute, let me write down the formula as we have dealt in the second problem as well. So we know the formula where x square minus alpha plus beta into x, right? Beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this will be the form of the quadratic equation. So to find the quadratic equation, we should use this formula. Okay, to form a quadratic equation, we must use this formula where this type of questions might come in your exams. Remember, okay? So definitely you should remember this formula. By remembering this formula, you might get 5 marks at least. Now here you have x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So now we must to form an equation, firstly we must find alpha plus beta value. Okay, we must find alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. Okay, in the previous questions they have given alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. We have directly substituted those values into this given formula. Are you getting it? In the previous questions they have given alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value, but in this question what have they done? They have given alpha value and beta value. Okay, in this question they have given what? They have given alpha value and beta value. Now here have alpha plus beta. So alpha means 2, right? Solution. So where alpha means 2. So and beta value is minus 1. So plus of minus 1. Plus of minus 1. Alpha into beta means 2 into minus 1. Alright, 2 into minus 1. Where 2, okay, 2 plus of minus equal to plus into minus minus, right? So 2 minus 1, 1. So this value will becomes what? Minus 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, we know that. So that's what we got 2. Okay, so we got minus 2. So we got what? Where alpha plus beta value is 1, guys. Alpha into beta value is minus 2. Then what you do? You substitute where x is square. Wait a minute. Where x is square minus alpha plus beta value is what? 1. So alpha plus beta value is 1. So you go with 1x or x. Both are same, right? So x plus alpha into beta. Alpha into beta value is minus 2. So minus 2. So plus of minus 2. This becomes what? This becomes what? X square minus x minus 2. This will be the equation, guys. Alright. This will be the equation. This will be the quadratic equation that we got. Are you getting it? Now let me go for the second one. As here they have given alpha value and beta value. What do? You firstly add this both values, alpha plus beta value, and you substitute this given, you substitute the got value. Okay, the value you will getting some value. So what you do, you substitute that value over here and you go for the next one, alpha into beta, where 2 into minus 1, you get minus 2, something like value. You substitute that value over here. So this becomes the then this further forms an equation where quadratic equation that we got. Clear? Are you getting it? Now let me go for the next one, the second one. Second one question kya hai? Sorry minute. Second root 3. Okay, let it be. Root 3 comma minus root 3 they have given. The second question, second one is root 3 comma minus root 3. Now you know. Okay, coming back to root 3 where roots means, okay, it will be something like kind of good question. Here you have a root 3 comma minus root 3 where alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So let root 3 be what? Let root 3 be alpha. So remember the first one here. This will definitely be alpha. Okay, the first value. Remember like that. Where first value will become alpha, second value will become beta, something like that. Okay, if you go like, okay, so here let us consider root 3 as alpha and minus root 3 as what? Beta. Okay. Now here alpha plus beta means root 3 plus of minus. So root 3 plus of minus root 3. Alright. So here you have plus root 3 minus root 3, guys. Okay. Are you getting it? Here you have plus root 3 minus root 3. What happens? ये जाता और हमको 0 आता. Where plus root 3 minus root 3, where plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Now we will be getting out the 0 will be the answer. Next you have root 3 root 3 minus root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3 gives what? Root 3 whole square, means minus root 3 whole square. Alright, are you getting it? Where square root cancel, you will be reminded with minus 3. So minus 3 will be the answer, guys, here. Okay, minus 3 will be the answer. Means plus root 3 minus root 3 gives what? Minus root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. You will be getting what? Minus 3. Minus 3 will be the answer. So we got what? Where alpha plus beta value is what? Alpha plus beta value is what? 0. Alpha into beta value is what? Minus 3. Now what you do? You take the value, you substitute in the given formula. The formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So what you do? You write x square as it is. Firstly, the first step is x square as it is. You have alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta value is what? Root 3 minus root 3, right? Means alpha plus beta value means what? 0. You remember 0. Alpha into beta value is minus 3. So alpha plus beta value is what? 0, means 0x plus, here you have minus 3 as it is, minus 3. Plus into minus, minus, right? So here guys, what you do is, where x square as it is, anything multiplied with 0 is always 0. So what happens? Let us remove this 0. Okay, let us remove this value, where x into 0, x into 0, 0. So what you do? You remove the middle value, so where it will be eliminated over here. Now plus into minus, minus, so minus 3. X square minus 3 will be the answer. Clear? Are you getting it? X square minus 3 will be the answer. Is the board clear? Very good. Okay, now let me go for the next one, the third one. 1 by 4 comma 1 minus 1. 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Okay, hope the voice is clear. Now here you have 1 by 4 comma minus 1. So let us again assume where 1 by 4 will be what? You say guys, now 1 by 4 will be what? 1 by 4 will become alpha or beta? Alpha. Okay, consider 1 by 4 as alpha, minus 1 as beta. Now what you do? You go for the process. So alpha value is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus of minus 1. Okay, where minus 1 will be the beta value. So 1 by 4 plus into minus, so minus 1 as it is. Now what you do? You go for LCM process. 4 LCM into numerator by denominator. This becomes 1. LCM into numerator by denominator. LCM into numerator by denominator, minus as it is 4. Okay, this becomes what? Minus 3 by 4 will be the minus 3 by 4 will be the alpha plus beta value. Okay, alpha plus beta value is what, guys? Minus 3 by 4. Next, alpha into beta. Alpha value is 1 by 4 into minus 1. Okay, now this becomes what? 1 by 4 into minus 1. 1 ones are 1, right? So 1 ones are 1. This becomes minus 1 by 4. I hope so. So this becomes what? Minus 1 by 4, where alpha into beta value is what? Minus 1 by 4, and alpha plus beta value is minus 3 by 4. Now what you do? You go for x square as it is. You know, just substitute the values. Okay, here you got minus 3 by 4. You place that minus 3 by 4 over here. Okay, alpha plus beta. At the place of this, you place this value, and you have minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 place over here. So that's what you will be getting an equation. You will be getting a nice smooth equation over here, where alpha plus beta value is minus 3 by 4. Let me write down here minus 3 by 4x as it is. Okay. Okay, minus 3 by 4. And plus of minus 1 by 4. Okay, so my plus into, here you have minus, here you have minus, so minus into minus plus, right? So x square, this becomes what? This becomes what? X square. So here you have minus 3 by 4, you have minus over here, minus into minus plus, so plus 3 by 4. Okay, plus 3 by 4x plus into minus minus, so minus 1 by 4. This will be the given value. But here guys, where we are getting, where we have got fractions, guys. Okay, we have got what? Fractions. Then what you do? You convert these fractions into an equation form. We need an equation form, right? We don't need a fraction form, fractional type of form. We need ax square, where we know ax square plus bx plus c, right? So we need an equation to be in this form. So what you do? You take LCM, 4 as LCM. 4 will become an LCM. Okay, 4 will become LCM. So LCM into numerator by denominator, as we know, 4x square. 4 4x square LCM into 4 3 no plus 3x as it is, okay, minus 1. Okay, now what you do, equate the whole equation to 0, transpose this 4 to the other side, this becomes what, 0 into 4, 0 into 4, this becomes what, 0 into 4, 0. So here this will be the given equation. Okay, this will be the formed equation where 4x square plus 3x minus 1 will be the equation. Okay, quadratic equation. Clear guys? Clear? Let me go for the fourth one. Yeah, the last one. 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. The given question is, oh sorry, let it be. Fourth one, 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Oh, okay, let it be. So here our formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta into x, alpha plus beta into x plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Okay, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this is the given formula. Now what you do, you have alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. Alpha value will be what? 1 by 2 will be the alpha value and plus beta value is 3 by 2. So if you go for LCM, what happens? LCM 2 comma 2 2 will be the LCM, sorry. 2 will be the LCM. So LCM in numerator by denominator, this becomes what? 1 over here plus as it is. LCM in numerator by denominator, this becomes 3. So where? 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here we got what? Here we got what? 2 will be the alpha plus beta value equal to what? 2. Okay, alpha plus beta value equal to 2. And coming back to the alpha into beta value, alpha plus beta value we got what? 2. Okay, and now alpha into beta value is what? Let us check over here, where 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, where 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, 3 ones are 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3, 2s are 4. So I got what? 3 by 4 will be the alpha into beta value. As I have multiplied like 3 ones are 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 by 4, and where alpha plus beta I have taken LCM form and I have done whole process, and thus we got what? 2 will be the alpha plus beta value, and alpha into beta value is what? 3 by 4. Clear? X square minus alpha into beta. So x square as it is, okay, minus alpha into beta value is what? 2x, okay, plus alpha into beta value, alpha plus beta value is 2 guys, so 2x, alpha into beta value is what? 3 by 4 as it is, 3 by 4. Let's equate the whole equation to 0. Then what happens here? We have got 4, right? So let's take LCM as 4, because here you will be getting 1 where denominator will be 1 over here, here the denominator will be 1, so we no need to take this. So where the LCM will be 4. LCM in numerator by denominator where 4x square, okay, LCM into numerator by denominator 4x square minus 4 to 8x plus 12 means 3. You are getting 3 over here. So let us equate the whole equation to 0, and now 4 transpose to the other side, this becomes multiplied. Here it's getting divided, and if I transpose that over to that side, this becomes what? Multiplied. So this becomes what? The equation will be this. This will be the given equation guys, okay, where 4x square minus 8x plus 3 will be the given quadratic equation that we must find. Clear? Thank you.